So cute.
Isn't it?
Hey, monkey, monkey, monkey.
Can I have the balloon?
Well, I guess I should hold her while we do this.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Come here.
This way.
Adada. Yeah.
Look, you want to see your cake?
Look.
You want to see?
I didn't teach her how to blow it out.
Ready?
Happy
birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leah. Happy birthday to you.
Blow it out. Go.
Whee! Mama blow, mama blow.
Yay!
Woohoo! Okay, let's turn this on. Oh. Look at Aaliyah. Look what you get. It was so hot, the frosting started to melt.
Okay.
Home.
All for you.
Cake.
You see something?
Yay!
Oh no. Dig in.
I'll give you a cupcake. Hold on.
You want something, a fork? Or?
Look, baby. It's cold and it's hard.
Mmm.
She's seen your mom, she just dug her face in.
Look.
Nom nom.
Jasmine.
No.
What's your favorite?
Want to try to use that? Maybe? You want a cupcake one more? Anthony, can you hand me the little dishes?
No? You want a cupcake? She just wants to poke it. I guess since it's a birthday party, we can have a cupcake.
I don't know which is chocolate and which is vanilla. Oh, this one's
You're
vanilla.
retarded.
Anybody want vanilla?
Aaliyah, you gotta. We'll share a vanilla. Go, ah! Here, attack it!
Nom 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 nom.
No, we should save them.
She's
like,
so
I'll share.
gentle with it. Look at her.
She's gentle
Lamara is
with
the
it.
first baby I've ever seen actually go to town.
Anybody else want vanilla?
Cookie loves with me.
I don't know.
Or
Yes,
everybody
please.
chocolate?
Vanilla.
Ice cream.
Oh, ice cream.
Oh,
I
I
want
forgot
ice
about
cream.
ice
I
cream.
just wanted-
Okay, here's that.
She's just sticking her finger in it. Do you see that?
Yeah. Oh, there. Oh, they gotta do that.
Oh.
You gotta do that.
She's like, no.
Nose first.
I'll lock it till she does it. Is that good? He digs his face into it.
See, that's what you're supposed to do.
You're a mess. Mommy wants to eat. Look, baby. Look. Ah. You gotta eat it. Mommy. Look.
Nom
Nom,
nom
nom,
nom.
nom.
That's the good stuff right there, huh?
Oh, yeah. Look.
Mama's
Ah.
the good ice
Go.
cream too.
Ah. No. She's just poking it.
Okay.
She's figuring it out
You
right
want
there.
the
It's a big
mascara?
mess.
Maybe. I don't know yet. I'll eat it. I'll eat it.
It's the funnest toy ever.
You are right.
Anthony, you
Are
want
you
chocolate or
recording?
vanilla?
Greg,
No matter.
you just recording?
Oh.
Nummy, nummy.
You're not supposed to eat the paper. Look. No. Ah. No paper. No
Not too much ice cream. Just a little bit.
I'm kind of grumpy. Here. You'll like it. Can I get the paper?
Jeb.
Don't eat the paper.
Anthony.
Oh, here.
Krista, vanilla, chocolate, what do you need?
Chocolate. Chocolate would
Can
be
I
good
see
to
it,
start.
Rebecca? Yeah.
Nom,
Nom, nom, nom.
Nom 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 nom.
Want some ice cream?
Eat the paper.
Go like this.
Here, have some ice cream.
Some frosting hot dogs.
Just add to it.
Get some.
Want some ice cream, Krista?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Sure.
Yay! Big girl! Nummy.
These are so good.
Num, num.
Are they?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Num num.
Let's just drop it on the floor.
Look, ice cream.
Look, baby.
Ice cream.
Look, taste it.
Here,
Why are you so grumpy?
Because she didn't sleep.
I know. You don't have to answer.
Hey.
It's rhetorical.
Here.
But rhetorical
Around.
means you
So
don't
you can
have
turn
to.
this side up, see? Inside.
Wow.
I couldn't remember which one it was.
Dogman.
Jasmine, you want one now?
She wants me to pick her up.
Play. Play.
I'll wait.
Beat like the drums. Go.
You're wait.
But it's so good.
And then go.
You want some ice cream?
So did they cook the cupcake?
What? Okay, let's play. Go play. And then go.
Only day in your whole life you get to play with your food.
Come.
This is too much icing.
Here.
No? What? You done?
No more.
Now she wants
Can't
you to
be
pick her up so she
done.
can get you dirty.
Grumpy baby. Oh my god.
Alright, I'll be nice now.
You want to feed her a bite of it? Did she taste it?
Oh.
She said num num num. And ever since then she's been wrong.
Want a piece of ice cream?
I don't want him to run free.
Here. Here.
Okay.
Taste. Taste.
Stuff it in her mouth. She'll like it. Let
Oh.
me get a wipe.
Okay, we're done.
Night, night.
Oh.
Night, night.
Okay, come here.